Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mother's World with Deepa, and today I am going to discuss about 5 such foods that should not be given to babies less than 1 year of age. So let's get started. And before starting, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe to our channel, and so let's get started. So first on the list is honey. Though in our Indian families, honey is offered to newborns, and it is believed that honey can make the newborn's voice sweeter, or it's healthy for babies. See, there is no doubt that honey is indeed very healthy and nutritious for all, including we adults, but not for babies less than 1 year of age. The big reason being is honey may contain spores of bacteria Clostridium botulinum, which can have infant botulism, which is a kind of muscle weakening, muscle paralysis. But the same spores, if ingested by we adults, have actually no effect on us. The reason being is our digestive system is strong enough, and the acids produced in the stomach can actually nullify the effect of the toxins. But this is not in the case of babies, especially babies less than 1 year of age. They do not have a mature digestive system, so they can have harmful effects of the honey. So it's better that you introduce honey after 1 year of age of the baby in required quantity if necessary. Okay, second is salt. Now after the completion of 6 months, we start introducing solids to our babies, and our babies often reject it or do not show any interest in solids. We feel because the food is perhaps not tasty enough, and maybe he requires a bit of salt or sugar to it. Now this is not true, and this is where we are actually mistaken. Baby is not showing interest in food as the baby is used to breast milk or formula milk and doesn't like fed something really new. Moreover, he has always related his food with either with his mother or with a bottle, like with breast milk or formula milk. But suddenly when he is 7 months old, we start introducing solids, and with a bowl and a spoon we try feeding him, which is entirely new to him as well. As he starts rejecting it, but that doesn't mean that we can add salt to it, or that is what he wants. According to doctor's guidelines, babies less than 1 year of age requires less than 1 gram of salt per day, and this requirement is actually met by breast milk. So any extra salt will only be a burden to his to the little one's kidneys. So it's better that till 1 year of age we avoid salt. And this whole process of introducing something new, solids to the baby, will definitely require a little bit of time for your baby to get adapted to it, and a lot of patience for we parents as well. Okay, the second one is sugar. Babies less than 1 year of age should not be given sugar. But no sugar doesn't mean no sweet food for babies. No sugar means no white refined sugar. Instead of that, you can give fruit purees, that is apple puree, banana puree, and date syrup. Date syrup you can give after 8 months of age. These you can give to sweeten baby's food. Babies younger than 1 year of age should not be given cow's milk, as proteins present in cow's milk is not easily digestible to baby's maturing tummy. So we should remember that breast milk or formula milk is the major source of nutrients for baby's first year, and of course along with the solids that we introduce when baby is 7 months old in puree form. With that, of course, we should only continue breast milk or formula milk till 1 year of age, and after that we can give cow's milk. After that we can give cow's milk. Last one is biscuits, tea or coffee. Biscuits is the most easiest snack to be consumed by everyone, and perhaps just by dipping it in milk or water, making it soft, people think it can be given. But I myself read some of the ingredients of some of the biscuits. They purely contain wheat flour, which is maida, baking powder, baking soda, sugar, salt, and artificial flavors, preservatives. Again, these things are not something that can be given to babies or younger children too, because biscuits anyhow do not have any nutrients in them. Same is with tea and coffee. These things should be avoided as much as possible. In an alternative, you can give homemade cookies to babies, and milk, of course. So that's all for today. In case you like our video, please do subscribe to our channel. That's all. Be happy, be safe, happy parenting.